Oh yeah, something kind of fun about Lose Lose Days is that if you listen really closely, there are little hints to everyone, all of the myth members. So like before verse 1's chorus, you'll hear like wings flapping like a phoenix. Before the one for verse 2, you'll hear the waves rolling by. And then like before verse 3, you'll hear like undersea, deep sea noises for Ina. And then I think Amelia's is the hardest to hear. There is a tiny hic. It's not Amelia's hic though. It's like a beep kind of sound to like simulate like a little hiccup noise. It's the hardest to catch. It's somewhere in the bridge. It's between verse 2. I think it's I swallow the selfish, helpless pride or something like that. Helpless, selfish pride. And then it goes it's like a little simulated hic, but like there are little clock ticking might have also worked, but yeah, those were the ideas that Sabin came up with. So yeah, you can like peep out some of those little Easter eggs here and there.